All right, got the wiring pulled, got the lights in. Didn't bother to film that because my goodness, what a boring process, but it's got to be done. But the lights are in it. There, these lights here got a little reverse light in them. It's kind of nice. Got lumber, so I got to trim all these down here. Since I flipped that, it's overall 20 feet, so I got to trim like 3 inches off each one of these boards. And then on this back one, I'm gonna trim it off at a little bit of an angle to clear these welds. And then I got some screws left over from my dad's trailer. We redecked it a few years ago and we had some screws left over, but I don't think I've got enough. But they're these, they're for decking. You pre-drill a hole and then it's got a little self-cutting, self-threading thing, so we'll use those. I'll probably have to go get some more tomorrow. I found some shade. I'm actually down at my parents', so found some shade. We'll get these trimmed up and get them on, start drilling holes. One down. Yeah, cut that back a little bit, gives us plenty of room. One down, 13 to go. Here we go. Okay, get those all cut. What a tedious thing. It was a lot of boring work. Got them all cut, ready to start drilling and screwing them down. So stay tuned, we'll show you a couple of those and you'll get the idea. Got about 150, I think, if I did my math right, on those to screw in. So here we go. Just like that. One down. Okay, we moved her down here out of the way, let it dry. I know I didn't video much of that. It was just boring, drilling a bunch of holes. I'm short a couple screws. I'll have to go get some more tomorrow. But we can give her a walk around. We got a 2 5/16 channel coupler. We got a 4-hole coupler, good for 3 positions there. Got an 8,000-pound jack with the extendo leg. Built this sweet little headache bar. Got stake pockets all around. Still need to paint those. Got LED lights. All the wiring sealed up. 6-inch channel frame, 6-inch channel tongue. 1/8-inch fenders that are removable. Got 2 7,000-pound Dexter axles. Those are straight axles. They both break, so that should be nice. We got ramps. They're in this. They're back behind here. They are made out of 3-inch channel. They're 12 inches wide. They are 6 foot 5 inches long, if I remember right. So it should be a nice mellow angle to drive up on here. And then I've got this nice fascia down on both sides so they hide the ramps. Got this nice bar to hang those ramps on. 6-inch oval LEDs, reverse lights in each of those. So those are pretty nice. Tried them out last night and they're not the brightest, but actually they do help quite a bit, so that's exciting. Anyway, we got this deck on. All my cross members are 16 on center, 3-inch channel cross members. So 2x6 deck. I didn't have enough. These three, the third one's kind of bolted down, the other one's not. I just put some linseed type oil on this thing, kind of protect the deck. It's still wet, that's why it looks so shiny, but it's starting to absorb. You can see right here it's starting to absorb, so we'll check it in the morning, see if it decides to oil up, or if we're gonna have to wash that off. But that's it, guys. Down the road you might see probably build some sort of a chain box or something. Probably put a something across here and across the back, maybe throw some expanded metal in the bottom there, something to throw chains and straps in, and might build a lid for it just to keep it out of the weather and hidden from thieves. And then when I get around to it, get a little money saved up, I'll get a winch and I'll be able to play it off here, hopefully get a winch to sit in there nice, figure out if I'll put a battery on it or not. But that is that. And hope you guys enjoyed this one. It's been good to make. Wasn't too bad of a deal. Turned out pretty slick, I think. And it's gonna be nice. You don't realize how much you need a trailer till you don't have one. So my dad sold his, and that kind of, you know, pushed me to finally buy the steel and commit myself to build one. So the 20-foot length will be nice for if we ever need to haul a pickup. And then it's 14,000 GVW, so the pickup should be nothing for the weight. And then it's little skid steers or a mini excavator or something if we need, we can haul those too. But I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Stick around. I don't know what's next on the agenda for building in the shop, but we'll see what we can't get figured out and we'll keep her going. So thanks for watching.